Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix voice change option not available on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, I'm going to capturing a little snap here. So as you can see, here is no option to change our voice. So for that, all you have to need, first of all, open your home page and tap on this emoji icon and tap on explore and tap on the search box and type here voice changer, and here you'll get many types of voice changer. You can select any of them. For example, I'm going to selecting here baby voice changer, so I'm tapping on that. So now I'm using the voice changer. I'm going to playing the audio.
So now I'm using the voice changer.
So here you can see I successfully changed my voice. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.